How to delete all messages on Messenger fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete all message on Messenger fast. So, before starting anything, let me tell you the truth that Messenger does not have a built-in delete all chat button on Android or iPhone as well. But here, there is a roundabout ways which you can clear the message. So, with that, let's start the video. So here, method 1 is to delete messages fast on Messenger app through manually. So here you can simply open the Messenger app, and now here once you're inside it, you can simply long press on the chat, and from the pop-up menu you can just tap on delete and confirm delete by tapping on it delete again. And here you can repeat for all the chats and fast for the few conversation, and it will take slow time for the chat which have many conversation. And with that, moving forward to the method 2, that is to delete all chat at once by using the Facebook. So here what you can do is simply open the browser, and now here you can simply tap on the search bar and simply type facebook.com and simply search for it. Now here in this section you can simply log in with your account, and after that you can just tap on the messenger chat icon, and after that on the website what you can do is simply tap on the three dot icon, and after that you can simply select multiple conversation, and after that you can just click on delete. And here once once you do that, it will delete most of the chats on the messenger at once. And that's it. That's how you can delete all messages on Messenger fast. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.